The defense has rested in the trial of actor Jussie Smollett. The former star of Empire was back on the witness stand today, facing tough questions as prosecutors try to determine whether a racial attack even ever happened.
Jussie Smollett arrives in court to face a withering cross-examination. The 39-year-old actor was surrounded by family members, including his mother, brother JoJo, and sister Journey. Fox Nation's Nancy Grace warns that taking the witness stand comes with real risks.
It's never a good idea to go up against a seasoned trial lawyer on cross-exam, even if you're telling the truth, which he's not. I believe that Smallett felt he had to take a stand because he's the only one that can really convey his cockamamie story, which changes every time he starts talking.
Smallett is the latest defendant in a high-profile trial to testify in his own defense. Kyle Rittenhouse was acquitted of murder.
Guilty.
But Travis McMichael was convicted in the Ahmaud Arbery case. Smallett did what he could to swat away the testimony of two brothers, Abel and Ola Osundario, who claimed the Empire actor paid them $3,500 to stage the attack on a Chicago street in 2019. The prosecutor asked Smallett why he didn't recognize their voices during the attack, even though they were friends and his personal trainers. In that moment, I'm not going to stop and say, "Hey, Bola, is that you?" It was an attack. It happened fast, he said. At one point, Smollett scolded the prosecutor for reading aloud text messages the actor wrote to Abel Osundario. The texts were filled with the N-word. The actor asked him to stop reading the word out of respect for every African American in the room. The prosecutor quickly apologized, leading Smallett to say, "Apology accepted, but it's been used a lot." Chicago criminal defense attorney April Preyar has been in court observing the trial.
There were definitely awkward moments. There were definitely testy moments. But I think overall, he held his composure. He stuck to his story. There was no sudden aha moment on the stand. So he overall did pretty well.
When police arrived at Smallett's apartment, he was wearing a noose he claimed the attackers placed on him.
Do you want to take it off or anything? Yeah, I do. I just want to see it.
Smollett admits he did pay the brothers $3,500, but he testified it was for services to help him get in shape for a music video. If convicted, he could face up to 3 years behind bars, but many believe he would merely get probation.